Welcome grade 4th to your mathematics class. Dear students, good morning. I am Vikas. Children, from today we are going to start block 12 divisibility rules. Children, to connect the subtopic, I have an introductory question for you. So my question is, name a few things that always come in groups of 2 and a few things that always come in groups of 3. Children, to get answer, I have some question for you. Which things do you use in pair and which vehicles has 3 wheels? Children, here our answer is socks and shoes are always in pairs, and you know a bicycle has 2 wheels, ducks have 2 legs, a tricycle has 3 wheels, and auto rickshaw has 3 wheels, and so on. So children, our aim is today we will find the relationship between multiples of 2 even and odd numbers. So children, our question is, can you divide equally the following numbers in groups of 2? So numbers are 8, 17, 22 and 25. Student, this is video.
Lesson 1. So question is, can you divide equally the following numbers in groups of 2? Numbers are 8, 17, 22 and 25. So children, here you can see I have divided number of groups of 2. 8 means you can see 8, 2 groups. This is first group, second group, third group, fourth group. 2, 4, 6, 8. Now children, here you can see 17. So first group, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8. So children, here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 1, 17 means 1 is left. Now children, here 22. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. And children, here you can see 25. So first group 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24 and 1 is left. So children, here you can see I have divided 8 in groups of 2. Here you can see children, no object is left. Means if a number of objects can be divided into groups of 2, the number of objects is even. Means it is even number. Means 8 is even number. And children, here you can see 22. No object is left, so it is also an even number. But children, here in 17 you can see 1 is left, so it is odd number. And 25 you can see 1 object is left, it is called odd number. So children, here one question, which number are called multiples of 2? Children, multiples of 2 means multiplication of 2. So multiples of 2. Multiples of 2. So do you know the table of 2? You know 2, 4, 8, 10, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 and children 22, 24, 26, 28, 30 and so on. Here so on means we will be continue. Here children you can see those number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are called even numbers. Are called even numbers. Means here children you can see in multiples of 2 you can see these numbers ends means 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, 2 means ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. These numbers are called even numbers. Those number ends with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 are called odd number. So children, in a table you can see I have written 4 number. First 3328, B 2362, C 430 and D 2853. So children, I told you which number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are called even number and those number ends with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 are called odd number. So children, here you can see 3328 means which number is 8. So 8 belongs this table. So it is called even number. Now children, this is B 2362. So it ends with 2. So it is also even number. Here children you can see it is 430. So this number belongs this table 0. So it is also even number. Now children, D number 2853. So it is ends with 3. So this number belongs to this table. So it is called odd number. Children, those number in other hand we can say those number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 are multiples of 2.
So children, this is next question. How can we know if we will able to make groups of 2 with the number of or not? What can we say about the numbers that are multiples of 2? Children, we have discussed. This is answer. If a number is multiple of 2, we will be able to make groups of 2 with of these numbers, and all the numbers that are multiple of 2 have the digits 0, 2, 4 or 8 in the ones place. Such numbers are called even numbers. And children, odd numbers, the numbers that are not multiples of 2 are called odd numbers, and these numbers cannot be divided completely into groups of 2. The first digit in odd numbers is always 1, 3, 5 or 9. So children, this is hard question, means hard order thinking question. So question is, find the first 3 even multiples of 7. And second question, find the first 3 odd multiples of 9. So children, watch the next video.
This is higher thinking question. Question A is find the first 3 even multiples of 7. So first children, I am going to write multiples of 7. So children, here you know 7, then 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, then 70, this is and so on. means I am going to write, I am going to sort out even multiples. So children, do you know what is even numbers? Those numbers ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are called even numbers. So children, here 14 ends with 4, 28 ends with 8 and 42 ends with 2. So 3 even multiples of 7, 14, 28, 42. First 3 even multiples. So 14, 28 and 42 are first 3 even multiples. Student, this is question B. Find the first 3 odd multiples of 9. So I am going to write multiples of 9. So 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90 and so on. I am going to sort out first 3 odd multiples. So children, you know those numbers ends with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are called odd numbers. So children, here 9 is first odd multiple, then 27 ends with 7, then 45. So first 3 odd multiples 9, 27, 45.
Children, this is your homework. Study block 12 from content book. Do set 1 in workbook of block 12 and 2 lesson 1 in notebook from content book. Thank you.